In one word, I would describe Workiva as exciting.
I would say passionate.
You know, there's lots of different words to describe the company, but innovative is certainly one.
Energetic.
Collaborative.
Collaborative.
It's just, it's such a cliche question. I don't know. What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
A typical day at Workiva. There is no such thing.
That's how my day starts, is with excitement, not with dread.
You get to still be you, legitimately. You walk through the door and nothing changes. You get to just be you, and actually you're surrounded by people who build you up and make you probably even better.
When I moved back from Silicon Valley, I thought I was giving up this opportunity to work at a Silicon Valley style company, and this is probably one of the most progressive Silicon Valley style companies that you'll find anywhere in the country.
Work is what we do, not where we go. I can work from home, I can work with people in New York, I work with people in London.
Every day I have calls with people from almost every office, Chicago, New York, Scottsdale, Seattle, anywhere.
Via HipChat, via Hangouts, via WebEx, and so many other means.
It's definitely our culture. It's our work style, the way we approach things.
I think our culture is very customer first.
Everyone at Workiva, every single employee is just so focused on making this an awesome place to work.
It's a great environment here.
You can run down and grab an espresso or an apple or whatever it might be to keep it going.
Kind of reminded of how lucky we are and how spoiled we are.
Here at Workiva, you have the chance to, have fun and company-wide challenges, or our charity work, or even volunteer.
It's really easier to explain what Workiva isn't than to explain what it is.
So as a new employee coming into the organization, you can be confident that your voice is heard right away.
The way that we treat people and the way we try to empower people to be creative.
There's so much more freedom at Workiva.
So we've gathered the talent, and so if you come join our team, you're going to be working with the best. I'm proud to work at Workiva because we really are the industry leader.
It's just an amazing place. I mean, this is like the company you would dream of. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna have to start over. It's great.